Hi YouTube. I'm trying to fix it so y'all can really see me. It's sunny out here today. I'm bringing y'all. My hair has been up a week today. This is that Pose finger roll curls. It was already curled. I paid $21 and some change. As you can see, it's a little shorter. I just trimmed the ends. It came to about here. So from here to here, about I had to cut off 2 inches of it. It was starting to mat up on the ends and get real dry. So I started putting some curl pudding on it, and that still wasn't helping. So I was like, yeah, about almost time to take it out. But that's the only thing that's not adding up right now is the end part of it. It's still curled everywhere else. And I just wanted to bring y'all a 1 week update. I'm praying for week 2, but if not, just know that you can get 1 good week out of it for sure. But I'll see if we make it a week 2. Because the ends are starting to get thick, but not right here. I've already cutting it off. So if we could go a little farther, I'm going to see, can we? So I will try to bring you a week 2. But if not, just know that week 1, it lasted for a week so far. So I will come back and talk to you guys, hopefully in a week 2. But if not, then this is Skilla Rivers, bringing your hair review. And I love you guys. Bye.